Hey, my J-Hen travel crew. So tonight we're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're checking out Don's Grocery and liquor store. But guess what, you guys? This is just not any ordinary liquor store and grocery store in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is actually a special place. You see right there, it says they have cheeseburgers, milkshakes, and all that stuff because it's actually a speakeasy. So let's go inside and check out what they have to offer at Don's TV and Repair, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You see that right there? That's the largest four-sided clock in the world. It's located right there in Milwaukee. So we're right close to that historic spot right there. And as you walk inside, you can see it just looks like any old, average kind of corner store. Not too large on the inside, but you can actually get you some drinks and some snacks right there in the front of this grocery and liquor store. They also have some throwback arcade video games and pinball machines in there. You can also get more than groceries and booze by shopping in here. They actually have some board games, different souvenirs you can buy, and things like that. As you can see they got the Crown, the vodka, the whiskey, wine, all that stuff right there. You can even get some soda, beer, and then you can just see all the old memorabilia from the 80s and things like that. So it just puts you back in the mindset that you're stepping into the 80s. And if you're really trying to go into the speakeasy, you can walk straight through that door and you can see all the fun that can start at this speakeasy, and you can go back to the 80s as the sign says there. So if you come inside, you're going to see lots of things from the 80s. You're going to see the old Nintendos, old TVs, gremlins everywhere, all that type of stuff from back in the day. There's a gremlin right there. Just the ambiance is real nice, a nice place to come in. And I think you can even bring children in here. We made reservations. It was my aunt's birthday, so she wanted to come here for her birthday. She had been wanting to come here for a while. We saw it on Facebook. There's actually a bar. I do recommend getting reservations if you are going to be going, just to ensure that you do have a seat, because there's not that many tables inside the place. So again, my aunt, it was her birthday. They did give her a nice dessert there, complimentary dessert. And she was happy about that because it was her birthday and this is the place she wanted to come.
Record. Happy birthday.
This is complimentary from Don's TV
Repair.
For
the birthday girl. We got shots coming too, y'all. We got shots coming. We got shots.
And here's that second one.
Okay.
Thank you.
They are open for brunch on the weekends from 9 a.m. to about 4 p.m. But every day that you come out, they do have breakfast. They even have specialty pancakes like those Fruity Pebble pancakes. They have veggie burritos, breakfast burritos, scramblers. They have burgers, smash burgers. They have snack menu, kids corner menu. Like I said, they got the pancakes, bacon, all the sides you may need, as well as they have a few different burger options. They even have a veggie burger. They even have a fish fry on Fridays. They have chicken strips. I think everybody can find something. And if you're planning a trip, I'd say check their website, Facebook page to see their specials. On Tuesdays, they do have 1 cent tater tots. They have 99-cent burgers. Check to see which day they have that. Then on Thursdays, yeah, they actually have 10-cent martinis. That's what you see us getting right there, are the 10-cent martinis. And they say they'll flag your tab at 30 cents. But again, if you get 3 10-cent martinis, I think you'll be good to go. Hey, and don't get it twisted thinking because these martinis are 10 cents that they're going to be for the lightweight. These 10-cent martinis were actually very strong, you guys. So if you're looking for more from Milwaukee around the world, hit that follow button. Check us out on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, you guys. Peace.